What was that? A goblin?
No!
Are you sure? Should I check?
Yes!
Oh, it's just a turkey. He's saying Happy Halloween in turkey language. Yeek! Was that a skeleton rattling?
No!
Then, should I check?
Yes!
Phew! Chickens, not skeletons. You scared me, feather bombs. Ah! It's a swamp monster! It's coming for me!
No!
Are you absolutely sure?
Yes!
Oops. Guess it's just Piggy Spa night. Slimy, but not spooky. Wah! It's a ghost! A giant moaning ghost!
No!
Should I peek?
Yes!
Ah! Oh, it's just cow. Big voice, big tummy, big heart.
La la la, the moon's my light. I'll strum my tune all through the night.
Ah! Vampire sheep? With spooky teeth?
No!
Check.
Yes!
Oh, good. It's just a goat. Ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. That's it. I'm sure this one's a witch.
No!
Should I check the pond?
Yes!
Just a duck. Hoo boy. My heart is quacking too.
See, Ziggy? Sometimes spooky sounds make us scared, but when we check, we learn the truth.
You're right. Science and curiosity make me brave. And hey, being silly helps too.
Happy Halloween from the Spooky Farm.
Good night, Spooky. Uh-oh. Again! Ah!
Trick or treat!
Oh, it's just you two. Phew.
Happy Halloween! Don't forget to subscribe to Ziggy's The Caterpillar Adventures for more fun and silly stories.